Yo guys, what's up? Short video on CRO and the interest rate. I started this account with about $400 and now it's about $345. Alright, so CRO has been going down in value, unfortunately. So, let's take a look. We've got an interest rate right now, 14.69%. It's not real great. Started out over 80, and they said it would be about 20%. And then, of course, the people who stake it, these guys, nebcast.ro, take a percentage. So, it's even a little bit lower than that. Well, I guess we'll see what we can do here. We'll claim some rewards. Let's claim it to my wallet. At least we get something back, right? So, that's good. So, it's a pretty decent rate. 14%. I'm not sure where else you're going to find that. Other than here, SUSD 52%, TUSD 15.84%, and it goes down from there. Also, check out my video on Celsius with a lot of the pretty good rates, up to 13.99% is what I saw. So that's pretty good. So anyway, let me know what you guys think for other cryptocurrencies other than CRO, of course. So subscribe now for more crypto updates, the daily options trade, and more. Alright guys, thanks for watching.